get the gag? Kinda gotta go over to my channel. What's going on, everybody? I'm Chuck with Dadding All Day. You can check out my channel down in the description box below. And thank you for watching the next DIY lawn channel. What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, just a quick little update since the last time I posted any content on this very channel. I moved to a new house. That's right, my lawn is now in the hands of somebody else, and they're doing their best, but now I have a new challenge to conquer. This lawn, this house, was built in 2018. The contractors didn't really do a good job of putting down the tall fescue sod. It's very uneven, very bumpy. You can see where they didn't put the sod, they didn't install the sod correctly, so there's gaps in between it, which is weird because it's been it's been about 2 years now since that's happened, and you can see where there's gaps in between the sod. So, you know, that's pretty bad workmanship if you ask me. But nonetheless, it is not in that rough of shape compared to my old house when I moved into that one, because the sod is only 2 years old. You know, the weeds haven't overtaken it yet, which is good. I did not do any sort of fall renovation, fall overseed, any winterizer or anything like that on this lawn last year, because I quite frankly didn't have time. But the time of year I moved in, which was in October, getting settled in, all that kind of good stuff, I plain and simply did not have the time. So this is the first time that it's going to get any sort of fertilizer. You can go over to my channel to check out my process on how I'm doing my spring overseed. But on this channel, we're going to talk about the fertilizer I'm using, which is obviously the seed starter pack. Not that one. Not that one either. It's gotta be this one. I got it in the first try. I don't care what you say. The seed starter pack is going to give you everything you need to get your new baby grass from germination to establishment. You have your GreenPOP, your Green Start, and your GreenePUnch, along with RGS, or root growth stimulant. If you go over to my channel, I explain, which actually dropped this very same day, I explain why I am doing a spring overseed. Like I said, I didn't do anything in the fall, but I sort of explain my mindset behind going with a spring overseed. But either way, for your overseed, what you're going to want to start with is your 16-21-2 GreenPOP. That's a good, well-balanced fertilizer. It's going to give you everything you need to go ahead and get the grass started, along with the RGS. Coincidentally, 16-21-2 GreenPOP is also a great spring fertilizer for that first feeding of the year. If you put down your winterizer, that's going to be great to get your grass waking up green before everybody else. But then you hit it with the 16-21-2 GreenPOP, and it is going to be fantastic mid-spring. Just go ahead and start with the overseed process, or the overseed fertilization, I should say. With the 16-21-2 GreenPOP, you're going to want to put down 16 pounds per one. Not 16 pounds. That's a lot. 16 ounces. Don't put down 16 pounds of 16-21-2 GreenPOP. That may not be good. 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet of the 16-21-2 GreenPOP, along with 3 ounces per 1,000 of RGS. Now here at my house, here on the main lawn, we are working with about 1,500 square feet. And then we have a side yard on the other side of the cars there that's just over 600 square feet. So 2,100 square feet total that we're going to be covering with the GreenPOP and the RGS. I'm also going to throw down some microgreen and aerate and humic, because it's had none of that, and it could use a little bit of everything. I want to go ahead and get it down now, because once the grass is growing, I'm not going to be walking on it, and I'm not going to be able to apply that stuff. So I'm going to do all that today, not necessarily in this video, because I want to go ahead and just focus on the seed starter pack. But so I'm going to hit it with everything, because I was really deficient in my micro, so I want to get the microgreen down for sure. But anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and mix some fertilizer. is it for this first step in the seed starter pack. In 21 days, we will come back with the 901 Green Start. And then 21 days after that, come back with the 1801 Green Punch. Green Punch! And yeah, that's all you really need to do. And that's for the seed starter pack. Now, like I said, 1621-2 GreenPOP is a really good first spring fertilizer. You can even use it for your, if you want to do more spoon feedings throughout the year. 1801 GreenePUNCH is a great all-around fertilizer to use all year long. John Perry has done tons of videos on it, so you can go ahead and use that. But that is it for me on the Next DIY Lawn channel. For this video, that made it sound like I was going away. Don't plan on going anywhere, so you're stuck with me. You're welcome. But anyway, I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.